I'm guilty of this too, believing everything is like riding a bike. You fall and you get back up, and then you learn the lesson. But being great is a lot deeper than that. It's about treating your purpose and passion like a profession. Professionals take things to the extreme. It's about being great, not being good. We can be good at anything that we put our mind to. But to be great in something, you have to put your heart and your soul into it. So you see, it's more than just riding a bike. It's the feeling you get when you want something so badly, you will do whatever it takes to get there. So my challenge to you is to find your passion. And when you do, make sure you go all in. It's going to take a lot of hours, pushing, striving, moving forward. You might even have sleepless nights to get to where you want to go. I would be lying if I said anything else. Love the moment and embrace it. Every single moment, thrive in it. You are working on your greatness. It's all good. Why? Because you love the journey. This is your journey. Make your story worth telling.